Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammad wa alihi wa sallim. O Allah, bestow your favor on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and on the family of Muhammad, as you have bestowed your favor on Ibrahim and on the family of Ibrahim. You are praiseworthy, most glorious. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very kind and warm welcome to Treasure of Knowledge. Today's chosen book is called Islamic Curriculum on Peace and Counter-Terrorism. It contains 221 pages and 29 main highlighted sections. Islamic Curriculum on Peace and Counter-Terrorism is a curriculum prepared by Shaykh-ul-Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir-ul-Qadri on peace and counter-terrorism. The curriculum was launched on 23rd of June 2015 in the presence of many official guests, along with eminent Muslim scholars from around the UK. The Islamic curriculum aims to develop an understanding of the concept of love and peace among the people, and is also used for educating and training Imams, Clerics, teachers and young people on the broader ideology and theological principles that underpin radicalization, and that the true Islamic teachings are on each subject. The Islamic curriculum draws heavily upon the Quranic verses and traditions on the Prophet to expose ISIS and other militant groups who have absolutely no authority for setting an Islamic state. According to the curriculum, ISIS and other militant groups have nothing to do with Islam, and Islam also curses those people who kill the innocent with no reason. Fatwa on Terrorism, also written by Dr. Tahir-ul-Qadri, has declared that these militant group criminals are the enemies of humanity, the enemies of religion, the enemies of morality, and the enemies of human value. The world is facing a great dilemma due to despicable, inhumane acts of terrorism, indiscriminate killings, warfare, disorder, and suicide bombings over the past 2 decades. This is an international phenomenon which is being sponsored by many elements to further their motives. It's not only destroying the peace of any region or group or country, but it's destroying world peace. Besides many Muslim countries, youth living in the UK, Canada, US and other Western countries do not have any conceptual clarity regarding Islam and are wrongly considering terrorism and indiscriminate killing to be jihad and are being drawn towards it. The second disturbing issue with regards to this is that the terrorists declare their evil goal to be part of parcel of the Islamic concept of jihad. Furthermore, they speak of enhancing the Islamic Sharia according to their extremist and terrorist ideology. By quoting the Quran, Hadith and texts from the book of Fiqh out of context, they influence common Muslims who are not educated with the true teachings of Islam, especially youngsters. No part of this world is safe from the brutal atrocities carried out by the sanctity of life has been violated in Iraq, Syria, Yemen, Afghanistan, Sudan, Nigeria and Somalia. People are being indiscriminately shot and killed, and videos of beheadings are being made in order to spread terror and fear among people. Pakistan is also not safe from the evil. For one instance, football is being played using the head of fallen soldiers. Then on the other hand, barbaric acts of indiscriminate killing of innocent children take place in Peshawar. Shaykh-ul-Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir-ul-Qadri has comprehensively struggled against extremism, conservatism, terrorism at the ideological front for the last 34 years. Dozens of books by Shaykh-ul-Islam are against extremism, ideology, and are based upon the Islamic teachings of love, mercy, peace, mutual harmony, and non-violence are widely available. Currently, the most important issue for mankind is the restoration of peace. No single institution, state, or university has come forward to achieve the urgent and pressing need to introduce establishing peace and countering terrorism and extremism as a subject and curriculum. Shaykh-ul-Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir-ul-Qadri has comprehended this urgent and immediate need and has decided that Minhaj International will fulfill this responsibility. This particular curriculum has been compiled for clerics, imams, and teachers. Its aim is to provide them with resources from the Holy Quran, Hadith, and authoritative books regarding extremism and terrorism, so that clerics, imams, and teachers take guidance from classical Islamic literature for their lectures and classes. Chapter 1, page 7. Islam Concept of Peace and Security. Islam is a religion based upon peace and security and urges others to live in peace. The most evident proof of Islam being a religion of peace is that God designated the name Islam for his revealed religion. The word Islam is from Salama or Salima, which denote the meaning of peace and security. Islam is a paragon of peace. The meaning of peace and security is inherent in the word Islam. According to its meaning, Islam is a religion that itself denotes absolute peace and also teaches others to live in peace, security, love, cooperation, moderation, balance, patience. If we ponder at the definition of a Muslim, a believer, according to the Quran and Hadith, it will become absolutely clear that according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a Muslim is only that person who is of peace and security for the whole of mankind, and a mu'min, a believer, is a person who is endowed with the attribute of peace, tranquility, tolerance, mutual coexistence, and respect of mankind. Hence, everyone is protected and safe from him at all levels. Subhanallah. Jazakallah khair, sisters, for listening. Next, I would like to invite Sister Sadia Janzeb.